You should shopping. Pongal or Pongalfood? One day you are so cheap, but then 맛있어? Before shopping, snack time. There's 그래 okra, fresh one. Expensive야? How much was that the last time? Salmon section. Yeah, here, salmon. We generally buy this one, right?
Yeah. We'll buy.
Okay. This one? 어떻게 수업방이 여기 있냐? 이시드 쇼핑. 너무 피곤해. Tired?
Nee. No, my body is running with Godang.
너무 피곤해. Let's eat Pongal's food.
Pongal.
Pongal food. Pongal food. 맞죠?
Yeah. Pongal. Pongal or Pongal food?
Pongal로, Pongal로, Pongal로.
Pongal or Pongal?
Pongal로, Pongal. Pongal로, Pongal. Pongal로, Pongal. Pongal로, Pongal food. This way. This way gonna cook Pongal food.
Pongal. Ven Pongal.
What is it?
The Ven Pongal means that it is made with salt but not sweet.
Okay.
Chakra Pongal means sweet Pongal.
Sounds yummy.
Very energetic.
And
Yesterday we had a Suatham.
맞아. I felt like it wasn't yesterday. It was like 1 month
Yeah.
ago or something.
Yeah, it was very delicious.
맞아.
And this is going to be like similar delicious, but more healthier, more protein.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's do that.
Yeah. I'm the helper.
Don't take my stomach.
알겠어. 아 정말. 기.
Ghee.
What is put inside?
Moong dal, rice,
Dal and rice.
and turmeric.
아 turmeric.
And water. Put a little salt.
The 몽달 is already yellow, right?
Yeah, slight yellowish color. But this dish you feel a little tastier when turmeric is added. That gives little flavor.
오케이. 우와. Coming, coming. Pongal, 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 pongal,
Pongal,
pongal,
pongal,
pongal,
pongal,
pongal,
pongal,
pongal, pongal. Is it right timing?
No, actually, if the closing is small, that will come like immediately. That time you have to say Pongal, pongal.
Oh, it's coming, coming.
Yeah. You can say Pongal, pongal.
Pongal, 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 pongal,
Pongal, pongal, pongal, pongal.
Wow. The color is actually so pretty. Pretty color,
Yeah, here, right?
Uh,
It's like some golden something like that.
like a curry, you know,
Yeah.
yellowish curry. Coming, 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 coming.
Pongal,
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 pongal, pongal, pongal. Okay, our pongal is good.
Okay. Yay.
Let our life be with happiness and prosperity.
Happy.
Good.
It's going to be so big. We cannot finish it, right?
We cannot finish today.
Okay.
You said you can have for 1 week.
Okay.
It's gonna be really delicious. You're gonna love it.
Okay.
Because it's very nutritious, high protein.
찌를. 와우. 투머치야, 투머치.
Yeah, too much oil.
스파이시. 으아. 오케이. 우와. 누룽지 같은데.
Because we don't use cooker, rice cooker, we need to do like this. Perfect.
퍼펙토.
Perfecto.
스파이시?
Yeah.
와. 진저. 진저 페이스트. 스파이시. cumin and pepper and then 엄마야. Sorry. Tiny.
So cumin is the one which brings the.
나도 투머치야. cumin을 넣어요?
This dish needs that.
맞아. 페퍼.
And people like you who don't eat pepper, we make it another way.
How?
You open this, right? What okay?
This is grinder.
What okay? Opening.
Just open it. I did.
Make sure they eat the pepper.
뭐야?
Yeah, like you.
I do like pepper.
Correct?
I mean black pepper.
I'm surprised.
Ish. And then not time.
Actually, we need to
Cut?
put this way.
How? The small.
I mean half. This half.
Okay. I can do that. Smells so good, good, good.
Okay.
Put it here? Her. I didn't expect that.
எதிர்பாராததை எதிர்பார்ந்தோம்.
Wow.
Big boss.
Wow. Wow. In the big boss, they cook this way?
They cook the sweet pongal. This is Ven Pongal.
Wow. I've never seen like this kind of food.
그런데
Pongal.
where is my kiss?
아 진짜.
누구 닮았지?
Pongal.
응?
I don't think I can cook this one.
I can cook it, right?
그치? Like one day you are so sick, but then you want to eat this one, and then where should I buy?
One day I sleep.
One day you are so sick.
Then make me good. Don't make me fall sick. Lemon rice, you put this in rice.
아 그랬나?
This is in puree.
Again cumin?